Today we discussed spectroscopy chapter, where spectroscopy is the combination of two words, that is spectro and scopy. Spectro means spectrum, scopy means measurement. Where spectrum means to determination of the substance, to find out spectrum. Different types of spectrums produced by use of spectroscopy. Based on this spectrum, to determine characters of the substance, characters of the samples. Okay, scopy means measurement. Based on the spectrum, to measure the compound characters. Okay, definition: spectroscopy is the study of the interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiation. The scientific definition is spectroscopy means spectroscopy is the study of the interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiations. Different types of electromagnetic radiations available. Different types of electromagnetic radiations to produce electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves is the combination of electrical field and magnetic field. Based on the waves, different types of waves, to change the samples or to change the electrons or nucleus or electron spin characters of the sample to create a spectrum. Okay, based on the combination of matter and electromagnetic radiation. Okay, the functions of wavelength or frequency of the radiations. Okay, hi, this is K. Hariprasad, Assistant Professor in Chemistry Department. Today we discuss about spectroscopy. Spectroscopy, it is the instrumentations. These instrumentations used to determine characters, quality, quantity of sample or species. What is the spectroscopy? Spectroscopy is a simple definition is it is the combination of two words, that is spectro and scopy. Where spectro means spectrum, scopy means measurement. Different types of samples, by apply the light to produce different types of spectrums. Based on this spectrum, to determine characters, quality, quantity of samples. Okay. As the scientific definition is, spectroscopy is the study of the interaction between matter and electromagnetic radiations as a function of the wavelength or frequency of the radiations. The scientific definition of spectroscopy is interaction between the electromagnetic radiations and matter or sample. It is called spectroscopy, where the interaction of the radiation with chemical species is measured to obtain characters, quality and quantity of species or samples. Okay. electromagnetic spectrum. It is a small chapter, electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum is nothing but electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiations or electromagnetic spectrum. Actually, when the light is nothing but electromagnetic radiation. That is the light. The light pass into sample to produce spectrum. Based on this spectrum, to find out characters of the samples. How to produce spectrum? Because when electromagnetic radiations to pass into sample, the light is pass into sample. Electromagnetic is nothing but light pass into samples, where the sample absorption of light, emissions, and pass into light. Different characters exhibited based on the samples. When light is applied the samples to produce the spectrum based on the energy. The energy is called molecular energy. The molecular energy is nothing but energy of samples. The molecular energy depends on the different three types of energies. One is electronical energy, second is vibrational energy, third is rotational energy. The molecular energy depend on the electronical energy, vibrational energy, rotational energy. The three energies are nothing but molecular energy. So the molecular energy depend on the three types of energies, where the light is passed into sample to produce a spectrum based on the molecular energy. The molecular energy depend on the electrical energy, vibrational energy, rotational energy. Electrical nothing but electrons energy, that is called electronic energy. Okay, this is the introduction of the spectroscopy. Next, electromagnetic spectrum or electromagnetic radiations. What is the electromagnetic spectrum? All type of EMR, electromagnetic radiations, if arranged either increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency. You write increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequencies in a sheet, then is called electromagnetic spectrum. This is the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, na? Where increase the wavelength. In case the light wavelength increase, where frequency also decrease. Frequency is also decrease. Okay, nothing but both are the opposite. So wavelength increase and also decrease the frequency. The both are you opposite nature. So where to presence of different types of lights. There is the gamma rays, X-rays, UV and UV visible light, infrared radiations, microwave radiations, okay, radio waves and long radio waves. Different types of, all are the lights, different types of lights, different types of colors. Okay, this is the electromagnetic spectrum diagram. Small definition. Different types of lights to arrange increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. In electromagnetic spectrum, to contains electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves. This is the electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic spectrum means light. The light is to contains electromagnetic waves. But waves is the combination of magnetic field and electrical field. Both are perpendicular. Each other perpendicular to each other. Okay? Electromagnetic waves to consist of electrical field and magnetic field. The electrical field and magnetic field both are you pass in a light through the perpendicular. This is called wavelength diagram. In a light to contains electromagnetic waves. The initial waves diagram is this type of. In electromagnetic waves, electrical field and magnetic field present. The electromagnetic spectrum to consist of different types of lights or different types of radiations. There is radio waves, cell phone waves, microwaves, radar waves, infrared waves, visible light waves, ultraviolet waves, X-ray waves and gamma waves. Different types of waves or lights or radiations consist in a electromagnetic spectrum. All lights are present in a particular diagram. There is called electromagnetic spectrum. But all lights or radiations cannot randomly present. It is orderly. Increase the wavelength or increase the frequency order. Okay, this is the and y-axis electrical field and x-axis traveling directions, where this is the length of electromagnetic waves. In electromagnetic waves to contains magnetic field. This is the electrical field, this is the magnetic field. So electrical field and magnetic field both are you pass in a electromagnetic waves like nothing but lights, but which is not parallelly pass, which is the opposite pass. Both are you oppositely pass into the light. In the light the wavelength to contains two properties, magnetic field and electrical field properties contains. Okay, this is the another diagram of the electromagnetic spectrum. It observe the spectrums are like this process, these waves. In these waves, gamma rays is very short wavelength, short distance, but where microwaves is the wavelength distance is high. So wavelength increase. In case the wavelength increase, it contains low frequency and also low energy. This is the longer wavelength. In this very short distance, short wavelength, the short wavelength contains high frequency. High frequency present, there is also high energy. we have high energy. So high frequency light to contains high energy. Low frequency light to contains lower energy. Lower energy light wavelength is longer wavelength. High energy light to contains shorter wavelength. So wavelength is shorter to produce high energy. This is the another diagrams. Different types of frequencies and different types of radio frequency, microwave, infrared, ultraviolet, gamma rays. The electromagnetic spectrum, mobiles, radar, visible lights, 10 to the power 13 to 14, and the X-rays is 10 to the power 17 to 19. All parts of the electromagnetic spectrum travel at the same speed. The important is, in the spectrum, all lights are present. All lights speed is, wavelength is different, frequency different, and also change the energy. So different energy present, but the traveling speed is, all wavelength lights are same speed, cannot different speed. At the same time, therefore, wavelength and frequency have an indirect relationship. The wavelength and frequency have indirect relationship. This means that as one characteristic increases, the other decreases. That means one character increase. In case wavelength increase, another character decrease. In case wavelength is increase, the frequency also decreases. In case the frequency increase, the wavelength also decreases. Both are the opposite characters. In other words, a wavelength increases, frequency decreases. Short wavelength have high frequency, long wavelength have low frequency. Short wavelength have high frequency, long wavelength have low frequency. This is the already discussed. Both are the opposite characters. Electromagnetic waves and energies. High frequency waves have high energy, low frequency have low energy. It is also discussed. Okay? The light is passed into sample to produce spectrum. Why to produce spectrum? Because different lights are different radiations to change different characters in a sample. For examples, in case X-ray light to change nucleus, like to change the protons and neutrons. Y-rays light to change inner electrons in the sample to contains molecules. The molecules to contains number of atoms, combination of atoms. Atoms are to contains nucleus and the surrounding orbit to contains electrons. In the nucleus to contains of protons and neutrons. The nuclear change means one different types of lights by apply the sample to change different types of characters of elements. For example, X-ray to change nucleus, like a protons and a neutron, to change the protons and neutrons. That means protons and neutrons are to gain of energy, to increase or decrease the energy levels. X-rays to change inner electrons, UV rays to change outer electrons, visible light to change outer electrons. Nothing but UV and visible light pass into sample, the ground state of electron pass into excited state. Excited state that to form the spectrum. Next, near infrared radiations to change outer electrons and molecular vibrations. This light, based on this light, the molecules are vibrated and the outer electrons are transferred from ground state to excited state. Based on this light and UV and visible light, the outer electrons gain of energy to transfer from ground state to excited state. X-rays and Y-rays are also to pass into sample to change different elements like electrons or protons or neutrons. Okay, the IR light radiations pass into sample. The molecules are vibrated based on the light by the light to produce spectrum. Microwave light pass into sample to produce spectrum. By molecules are rotations, electron spin rotations. Molecules rotations and electron spin rotations. Okay. This is the introduction of the spectroscopy and electromagnetic spectrum. A short question. In this class, the summary is what is spectroscopy? What is spectroscopy? Why to use spectroscopy? Use of spectroscopy and what is electromagnetic radiations? What is electromagnetic spectrum? What is spectroscopy means? Spectroscopy is the instrumentations. Okay. Scientific definition is interaction between the electromagnetic radiation and samples. Why to use spectroscopy? The spectroscopy used to find out sample characters. Okay, that is the use of the spectroscopy. What is EMR? Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation is the nothing but light. The light is passed into sample to produce spectrum, because to change the characters in a sample by electrons, by nucleus, by vibrations, different characters are produced in the sample to produce a spectrum. So electromagnetic radiation, different types of electromagnetic radiations are available. All type of radiations, nothing but lights. All type of lights to arrange frequency, to arrange orderly. That order is increasing the frequency or increasing the wavelength. So you will write increasing order of frequency or increasing order of wavelength. That is called electromagnetic spectrum. In the electromagnetic spectrum, it contains different types of radiations. Okay, gamma radiations, X-ray radiations. Okay, and UV visible radiations, UV radiations, NMR radiation. Different types of lights are present in the electromagnetic spectrum. All lights are contains in the spectrum is called electromagnetic spectrum. This is the today chapter. Thank you.